Good morning, children. This is Mrs. Parinita Thapa. I'll be taking your maths class today. Chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. This chapter we have already started, so we'll be continuing with the next topic. So, the learning objective are students should be able to write the given number in word form. Students should be able to express the given number in numerals. And at the end of the class, the learning outcome will be students will be able to write the given number in word form and they will be able to express the given number in numerals. Okay, before I start with the new topic, let's revise what you did yesterday. In your previous class, you have studied 3-digit numbers, that is till hundreds place. Now we will study 4-digit numbers, that is to thousands place. Now if any number is given like 3, 2, 4, always if you have to place it in the place value 10, this I call as a place value 10. We write 4 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds place, isn't it? Same way, just see the example which is there on the screen. Here 3 is in the which place? Ones place. This 6 is in the tens place. This is hundreds, 9 is in the hundreds place. And if we have one more number here like 4, that is in which place, children? This is in the thousands place. So this is a 4-digit number. We have studied the place value of 4-digit number. A worksheet was given to you yesterday to do. I hope you all have completed it. Let's see if you have done it correctly or not. Okay. First question says, write place value of the underlined digits. We are studying 4 digits, so you know first we are going to make our place value 10. First we write ones, then we write tens, then we write hundreds, and then we write a thousands place. And we are going to place our digits here and see what is the place value. Let's see the first one. It is 7621 and it is asked to find the place value of 6. Now can you see 6 lies where, children? 6 lies at hundreds place. So what is the place value of 6? It is 6 hundreds, or we write it as 600. Okay, let's see the next number, B. It is given 8 3 2 1 and it is asked to find the place value of 8. 8 is where? 8 is in the thousands place. So what is the place value of 8? It is 8 thousands, or we write it as 8,000. Next one, it is 2304. It is asked to write the place value of 0. 0 is where? It is in the tens place. So we write 0 tens, or the value of 0 always remains a 0. So your answer is 0. Next one, 1 4 2 3. It is told to find the place value of 2. 2 is where? 2 is again in the tens place. So what is the place value of 2? 2 tens, or 2 tens is written as 20. Last one, 2710. Again, 0 is where? 0 is in the ones place. 0 is in the ones place, or we write it as 0. So you can check if you have written the answers correctly or not. Let's see the next one. Next question says, solve the riddle below and find out the answer from the given table. So here some options are given. In the table, you have to find which one is the correct option. Let's see the conditions which is given in the riddle. All of you like to do riddles, isn't it? So let's see how many of you were able to do it correctly. First condition says, I am a 3-digit number. Okay. Here all except this number is a 3-digit number. So it cannot be 42 because it is a 2-digit number. Second condition says the hundreds digit is not 5. Okay, which is the hundreds place? Like 3, 2, 7, ones, tens, hundred. This is the hundreds place. Okay, so here it is saying that the hundreds digit is not 5. Here it is not 5. So this can be. Here also it is not. Here also it is not 4. Here also it is not 5. Here also. But here the hundreds place is 5. So this cannot be your answer. Let's see next condition. My tens digit is even. Okay, it says tens digit is even. Here the tens digit, this tens digit is even. What are even numbers, children? Even numbers are those numbers which is divisible by 2, or either it is 0 at the end, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, it can be 10, it can be 12, it can be 24, it can be 36. Means the ones place is always these numbers, whichever has that is an even number. So it says tens digit is even. This 2 is even? Yes. 8 is also even? Yes. Here 9 is not even, so this cannot be. 2 is even again? Yes. 5 is even? No. So this again cannot be. And 1 is also not even, so no. So now we are left with 1, 2, only 3 numbers. Now the next condition says my ones digit is less than 4. So what are the numbers which are less than 4? It can be 3, it can be 2, it can be 1, it can be 0. So let's see in the ones digit, in which numbers ones digit it is less than 4. Is 7 less than 4? No. So it cannot be. Is 5 less than 4? No. This also cannot be. Is 3 less than 4? Yes. Yes, it can be. So are we left with any other number? No. We are just left with one number. So what is your answer? Who am I? What is your answer? Your answer is 623. This is your answer. Okay. Let's start with our topic today. Number names. What is number names? When we write numbers in word form, we say it's number name. We write number name in the same way as we read the number. Like how we read it, the same way we write the number. We read and write a number using their place value. You say na 562. You always use the place value to either read it or write it. When we read a number or write its number name, we always start with its greatest place value, that is from left. Like for example, if I give you this number and I tell you to read it, you will always start from left. This first. You will never start from this one. You will always start from left or the greatest place value, and you will read it as 32. If I give you then this is the greatest place value, isn't it? And it is to the left, so you always read it as 432. Okay, so these are some of the basic things about number names. Now let's see here. This page is from your textbook. I think it is very easy for you all to complete it. So you all are going to complete this in your textbook. So I'll just see, these are the first column here. In the first column, it is showing the numbers in figures, and then you have number in words. So wherever it is incomplete, you are going to complete it yourself. Okay, it's only 3-digit numbers, which you have already done in your previous class. Now let's do 1 or 2 examples of number name. Now this is the number given. So every time whenever you are writing number name or anything, first we are going to place it in our place value tent. So we start with ones, then we write tens, then we write hundreds. Okay, so and we always write the number name as we read it, and we always read from the left. So 5 is in which place? 5 is in hundreds place, so we write 500, and 7 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place, so this is 72. 572. This is our first number name. Let's see another example. Again, we are going to place it in our place value tent. 3-digit number. This one. Let's start reading. In the hundreds place, we have 9. So, we write 900. Then we have 99. We write 99. Okay, you know children, this 999, what is this? This is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, and to this 999, if I add 1, you know what do you get? You get a number which is what? Which is a 4-digit number. Which is a 4-digit number. And this 4-digit number is the smallest 4-digit number. This is the smallest 4-digit number. So what do we have here? What do we call this number? What do we call this? Ones, tens, hundreds. This is 1000. Okay, so this is the smallest 4-digit number, which is, we read it or we write it as 1000. Let's see next some more examples of number name. Let's try to do it again. Now we are going to practice some 4-digit numbers. We have first placing it into our number tent. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So we always start from left. What is there? 1. 1 is where? In the thousands place. So we write 1000. Then 5 is in which place? Hundreds place. So we write 1500. Then we have 64. 1564. Let's see next number. Okay. Again, don't forget to write in place value tent. 3 is in thousands place. So we write 3000. In hundred place, what do we have? 0. 0 means nothing. So there is no hundreds place. So we leave hundred place. What is there next? In the tens and ones place, we have 72. So the number name for this is 3072. If there is a 0, that place number name we don't say. We don't say na 0 rupees I have or 0 anything. We don't say. So there is no hundreds here. Now let's see the next one. Again ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So what is there in the thousands place? 8. So we write 8,000. What is in the hundreds place? Again 800. And what is in the tens and ones place? Nothing. So what we have here? 8,800. We have 8,800. Let's see the last one. Okay, let's place it in a place value 10. Okay, what is there in the thousands place? 9. So first we write 9,000. What is in the hundreds place? 1. So 9,100. And tens and ones place is 50. 50. Okay, so you have 9,150 here. Okay, I hope number names is clear to you. You will be able to write any question which I give you to do. Let's come to our next topic, that is to write in numerals. Okay, numerals means you have to write the number in number form. Like it will be given in word form and you have to write your answer in number form. We are going to do the reverse of what we had done. Let's see the first question. Here it says to write the numeral of 523. So again first we will make the number 10, ones, tens and hundreds, and we will place the numbers according to the number 10. First it is said 500. So in the hundred place what do we have? 5. 500. 23. 20 is in tens place 2 and 3 is in ones place 3. So what is our number? 523. What is the answer? 523. This is your answer. Let's see the next one. 605. 6 is in the hundreds place and then we have 5. So we don't have anything in the tens place. That means what do we have to write? We have to write a 0 and then we have 5. So in the ones place we have 5. So what is our number? 605. Okay, let's see one or two more example. Okay, write in numeral, or we also call it as standard form. So 1000, this should be very clear. Now 1000 has come, that means we have 4-digit number. Okay, so 1000. So in the 1000 we have 1 and the remaining places we don't have anything, so it is all 0. So what is the numeral for this? It is 1000. Next one, 2345. So what is there in the thousands place? 2. 300. In the hundreds place we have 3. 45. We have 45. So what is the answer for the second one? 2345. Same way, 4809. So what is there in the thousands place? We have 4000. in the hundreds place we have 8. For 809, 9, that means in the tens place we don't have anything, and in the ones place we have 9. Next one, 7066. In the thousands place is 7000. In the hundreds place there is no hundreds place, so we write a 0. 66, so we have 66. 7066. So that I finish with the 2 topics which I had to cover today. So a small activity I'm going to give you. This activity plus whatever questions we have done in the presentation, you are going to write it in your notebook. So this activity also you are going to do in your notebook. This activity says you have to stick small stickers or colored paper cutout according to the place value tent of the number form given. So whichever number form is given, that much in the place value tent, in that place value you have to put either you have to stick stickers or you have to put colored paper cutouts. So if you have stickers, use stickers. If you have colored paper, you can cut small colored papers and stick it. So let's see, 4721. So what is there in the thousands place? 4. So here you are going to stick 4 stickers, because in the thousands place you have 4. Then it is 700. In the hundreds place what? 7 is there. Here you have 4. Here you have 7. So here you are going to stick 7. Okay? You are going to stick 7 stickers or colored paper, whatever. Then 21. So in the tens place is 2 and in the ones place is 1. So here you are going to stick 2 sticker and here 1. Okay? Similar way, here what is in the thousands place? 3. So here you are going to stick 3. Here it hundreds place 5. Okay? Tens place is 8. And in the ones place you have 6. So like this you are going to complete this activity in your notebook. So a recap what we have learnt in our today's class: to write number name of any given 4-digit number, and also to write numeral form of any 4-digit number given in words. I hope everything is very clear to you. Thank you so much, children.